Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Welcome once again to a new weekly review. Let's take a look at some charts and let's take a look at some setups we share inside our Discord community, inside our platform. And let's just start with the smart money trading ideas. This week was a pretty good week, pretty solid setups, pretty solid entries, very nice trades. The first one, let's check these two, which are basically the same setup, the same scenario in both pairs. So the first one is Euro Australian dollar. Take a look at this buy market execution, buy market order, instant execution, and this went straight to our TP1, and I guess it also hit our TP2. Let's take a look. As you can see, TP1 was at 156.25 and TP2 was at 152.314. So let's see how this ended. Okay, so here's how it played out. It actually, as I said, went straight to our TP1, and we missed our TP2 by, let's see how many pips. It was 71 pips, but the trade ended up paying around a little bit more than the 1-2 risk reward ratio, and then it reversed to our entry point. So basically it's the same thing. It was the same scenario with our pound Australian dollar. Same thing. But let me show you the details. As you can see, this is our buy market order with pound Australian dollar. This is our entry price, take profit, and stop loss. And this is how it went. Here, it was a buy market order execution, instant execution, and see how price rally straight to our TP1. So we got those entries, both hit our take profit one, but there is more inside our Discord. Let's take a look. Here's another setup, another entry that he shared on Monday, March the 7th. Yeah, March the 7th during the New York session. It was another sell entry. And this is the type of entries we all love when we take those entries right from the week, sniper entries. So this is another sniper entry we were able to catch. See how this hit our take profit. Boom! It smashed our trade our trade. Boom! It smashed our take profit level. So it was a very nice New York session on Monday. Let's see, there is another one. He was able to find this gold futures setup buy position. As you can see here, there was an imbalance right there, right at the entry. Market went and filled the imbalance, and then it started to create some higher highs in lower time frame. And this was our first take profit level. Let's see what happened next. Boom! First take profit level hit, and a few pips away from the second one. So I share 4 trades, 4 ideas during the week. There was no trade for me this week. It was a dry week for me, but there were some setups that are worth sharing. For instance, this US 30 setup during New York session, I was looking to fill this imbalance there and this other imbalance there. So that's why my take profit was right here at this demand level, and price created this supply level in the 1 minute time frame. But this is what happened. There were some macroeconomic events coming out really soon. So basically the market tapped my zone, gave a couple of points in profit. We moved to break even immediately, and then there was a strong and violent move to the upside to tap this other supply level up there, and then in 1 minute we saw the movement I was looking. We saw the movement I was expecting, and let me show you how it played. But this trade ended up in break even. So this is what happened with the US30 entry. So this was our entry. This was our entry level. As you can see, price topper entry, gave a couple of pips, a couple of points, and then we moved to break even. But then the market started to consolidate and see this as strong movement. The price just ended up filling some other imbalances above. Let me show you that. Some other in this one. There was an imbalance right here. That's the imbalance that was filled, and then price dropped. So this was the movement I was expecting, but this happened very, very fast. And there is also this setup on Aussie yen based on full momentum from the daily time frame to the 1 hour and 15-minute time frame. It was all bullish. I was waiting actually for this level. I was actually waiting for this level here to or this one to see some reaction to the upside. All right. So as you can see, market retrace, creating lower lows. But then here we have a high, and then this rally created a new high. So this is what happened with this trade. I sent the buy signal trade. I was waiting for this, basically this 15-minute demand level to be tapped, to be filled, but the market didn't feel it. It just filled this imbalance here. That was imbalance filled, but didn't tap my zone. So I missed this trade, but I was waiting for 154 pips. No, I think I sent the TP here. Here, I guess, yeah. I was waiting for this pips, and actually this trade would have been an amazing trade because ended up paying 114 risk reward ratio. And these were the details. Let me show you on our platform. As you can see, that was a trade entry, that was a trade setup, but didn't fill the order, so we missed this trade. It would have been a very nice trade actually, but we will have more opportunities. Then I share more setups like this pound Swiss, but I recommended to remove the entry because we were on Friday, and we will follow up next week. And same thing with pound dollar price. This was a scalp during New York session. I was waiting for the price to tap my demand level, but it just hit right at the breaker block, and it reversed from the breaker block, and it ended up paying the full profit. But as I said, we will have more opportunities next week. Those were the analysis and setups using our supply and demand strategy. Now let's see our crypto ideas. Sadly, we cannot win them all. This is our trade idea on crypto, on the crypto market, on this instrument. As you can see here, it was a buy position, but the price hit our stop loss. Stop hit trade closed. So yeah, we cannot win them all, but overall it was a very nice week. A lot to learn from those setup. Very interesting price action this week, and we overall ended up in profit and with very nice and very good setups. So we will drop the link in the description if you're interested in learning, and if you're interested in profiting with us inside our Discord community. I will drop the link in the description, and if you have questions, you can also contact us. Just send us a DM on Instagram, and we'll get back to you shortly. Thank you very much for watching. Till next week. Bye-bye.